Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. You are watching DIP&ART. If you are interested in learning Arabic calligraphy, then this video is definitely for you. आपको पता है कुरान को पढ़ने के साथ साथ लिखना सीखना भी कुरानिक लर्निंग में शामिल है. Let's talk about the material I'm using. Firstly, I'm using Omega ink, which is best so far. You can buy it from any art supply store. Take a thread or bandage cloth, you can use it and put it in a container. Pour some ink and add some water according to your desire or thickness you want. These two columns I'm gonna be using for my calligraphy practices. That's it. Khatul Diwani की history कुछ यूँ है. In 16th century, Diwani was developed by Ottoman from Talik style. This style is actually Turkish and the word Diwan means royal court. दीवानी जली की क्लास 1 में मैं आपको अलिफ और बा लिखना सिखाऊंगी. तो जिसके लिए आपको दो बातें पहले तो जानना ज़रूरी हैं. टेक्स्ट बॉडी के लिए हमने 80 डिग्री का रखना है और फॉर द नुकात पार्ट हम 45 डिग्री रखेंगे सो दैट इट मेक्स द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. नुकात हम स्क्वायर्स में शेप में बनाएंगे. कैलीग्राफी की मेन 6 स्टाइल्स हैं जिसमें से बाकी डिराइव होते गए उसमें से. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद राइटिंग अलिफ. So for this you have to make 5 dots. This will be the height of your alif. In calligraphy we use dots to measure the length and width of a letter. I just simply draw 5 nukats or dots, then draw 2 imaginary lines to create the boundary. Our alif will be slightly curved from the upper end and the lower end. In the start I made a lot of mistakes, but with a little practice I got the perfect alif, just like that. The technique here is how to move your kalam. From the upper end it should be facing the right side, and from the lower end it should be facing the left side. So these 3 are the wrong ones and this is the perfect alif we got. We are not done yet. I'm gonna make a little extension of alif. For this I draw just 4 dots and then I'm gonna write a little raw at the end of alif. This is the part of alif, okay? This is not a raw. This is the part of alif. The thing is you have to make a pointy end. For this you can take a corner of your kalam and then draw a lines just like I'm doing here, and then you can fill it with the same ink so you can get the perfect shape. Here I'm practicing. I got the perfect alif with a little practice. We are still not done yet, so we have to make a little decoration at the top of alif. There are 3 types of decoration. First one just like that, and second one a little bit bigger than the other one, and third one is like that. We are done with alif. Let's start writing a letter ba. For writing a letter ba we have to make 6 nukat for the length, and there are 3 movements of kalam here. First one is slightly curved, and second one start right from the first one and then move downward. Take your kalam downward, and its width should be 7 dots away, just like that. Here I'm practicing the family of ba, other letters for the family of ba, and you can also pause the video and practice yours. Let's make combination with the family of ba and with the alif, just like ba alif, ta alif and sa alif. You have to start just like we started the ba and move upward as we are making alif. Move downward and take your kalam upward with the angle 80 and make the dots for the sa. Little decoration for that. This was the nightmare. You have to be very careful for this. I'm making more combination with the word ba and sa, like ba and sa, bus. It's a word, and the second word is asbat. which is the combination of Alif, Se, Be, Alif and Te. Watch the full video to understand the whole process and practice all those words. Practice, practice and practice. Here I'm practicing more combination by using these letters. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with those who are interested in learning calligraphy. I hope you learned something new from me. Thank you so much for watching. You can see with the little practice how smoothly I am writing those words. I'll see you in the next class, next video, Insha'Allah. This is Migra signing off. Fi amanillah.